Welcome to this video on mean time between failures, or MTBF. This is a critical metric in incident management that measures how often your systems fail. Understanding MTBF helps you track system stability and plan better infrastructure maintenance. In this series, we'll explore what MTBF means, how to calculate it, and why it matters for your operations. MTBF stands for mean time between failures. It's the average amount of time that passes between one system failure and the next. The formula is simple. Divide your total uptime by the number of failures that occurred. For example, if your system ran for 720 hours with 3 failures, your MTBF would be 240 hours. This tells you that on average, your system experiences a failure every 10 days. Let's work through a practical example with a web server. Imagine your server was up for 720 hours in a month, and it experienced 3 incidents during that time. Using the MTBF formula, 720 hours divided by 3 failures equals 240 hours. This means your web server fails on average every 10 days. This metric gives you a clear picture of your system's reliability pattern over time. MTBF is one piece of the reliability puzzle. MTTR, or mean time to repair, measures how quickly you fix failures. Availability tells you what percentage of time your system actually works, calculated as MTBF divided by MTBF plus MTTR. MTTF, or mean time to failure, applies to systems that can't be repaired. Finally, SLA, or service level agreement, is your commitment to customers about target reliability. Together, these metrics give you complete visibility into system health. MTBF matters for 3 main reasons. First, capacity planning. Knowing when failures typically occur helps you allocate resources and schedule maintenance during low-traffic periods. Second, cost estimation. You can budget for repairs, replacements, and potential downtime losses. Third, performance benchmarking. Tracking MTBF over time shows whether your systems are improving or degrading and lets you compare different systems to identify which ones need attention. MTBF varies dramatically across different systems. Enterprise servers typically have MTBF values above 10,000 hours, meaning a year or more of uptime. Databases run around 5,000 to 8,000 hours, or 6 to 9 months. Network switches are highly reliable with MTBF exceeding 50,000 hours, or 5 years. Hard drives, being mechanical, have extremely high MTBF values exceeding 300,000 hours. Understanding typical values for your system type helps you set realistic expectations. MTBF has important limitations to understand. First, it depends on historical data. New systems without incident history cannot have a reliable MTBF. Second, changing conditions affect reliability. As systems age, workloads change, or environments shift, MTBF values become less accurate. Third, and most importantly, MTBF is an average. It doesn't predict when the next failure will occur. Your system could fail tomorrow even with a high MTBF, so never rely on it alone for critical planning. Here are the essential points to remember. MTBF measures average time between failures and helps you assess system reliability. Use MTBF for capacity planning, budgeting, and benchmarking system performance. Related metrics like MTTR, availability, and SLA provide a complete picture of reliability. Finally, MTBF is historical and averages real behavior, so combine it with other metrics for better decision-making. Track MTBF continuously to improve your system reliability over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.